Okay, we'll start our session slowly. Maybe others will join. Okay. Anyway, we need to write the program, right? So that others will join. So some network issues happened. Sometimes this Zoom, so many people you are using. So maybe the server down or some kind of things will happen, right? Okay. So this program yesterday we wrote this. Okay. So fine. So we'll explain one more time about this program. Then will people you people will note this one. Okay. So anyone practiced other actions? If people got the output, what happened? So if people are not coming to me with any screenshot or others. See, if you have any doubt or if you are facing any issues in any program, please come back to me with errors or screenshots. So this time I did not see, yeah, very good, so Ashni. So last time when I got doubts, when you people are doing that ASP.NET project, if your people are getting output, then I'm very much happy for that. See, this action result related, you don't need to have complete idea on something. So see now, see what we discussed in MVC. What are the interview questions? Like we'll just go now. Okay, for 5 minutes. Huh? Otherwise, our Ritika will get angry. So the from the beginning. So now, are you guys ready to answer? Just kidding, madam. Okay. So first thing, first interview question. This is amazing. Just 5 minutes, 7 minutes maybe, and we'll go for the program. The program is also good, very big. Okay. Now, so the first question: what is MVC? Now who will tell? Someone raise hand, then I will. No. Yeah, someone raised. Someone is speaking also. Is that Durga Lakshmi? Yeah, go ahead, Durga Lakshmi. She dropped from the call. What? Hmm. Durga Lakshmi. No. So this answer is wrong. So Hasni and Santosh. So we'll tell the answer. One. Rajshri. Rajshri B. Rajeshwari. Two names. Rajshri Bera. You're there, and we'll go with Ritika only. No, what is MVC? Simple. Wrong answer. Ritika. I told you people how to answer what is MVC question. Sometime back. Ritika. So no one is unmuting themselves. Shnavani. So someone finally. Shravani, tell me, what is MVC? What you will tell if someone
Yes,
asks for this?
MVC is a model view controller, and it is helps of developers build web applications,
No,
and it using well-established programming architecture.
you are going
And
through Google. The beautiful lines from where you are getting. Shravani.
yes, and it view only displays information and land user input and interactions.
I will tell. Okay. So see, then if people will think like, oh, this one only. So MVC, model view controller. So M stands for model. So what is the purpose of model? What we will use, what we will do with model? We'll write business logic. By using view, we'll implement user interface by using controller. So controller is responsible to transfer the data between, model to view or view to model. Model and view cannot directly communicate with each other. That's the reason they are choosing controller. That's for the answer. Is that correct or wrong? So why you people are not telling this one and people are telling so many things? Beautiful, that one, this one. What happened, guys? So this is the answer. Why you people are telling so many things? If you people don't explain about what is model view control, see, simple, that's it. This is the answer and leave it. You will get 5 out of 5 marks for this. And you people are not even unmuting yourselves if you don't know, sir. Unmute yourself and tell me like, sir, I don't know. I don't beat you, I don't scold you, right? Okay, so that's it. Got it now, everyone? Okay, so now the next question. So we have ASP.NET, ASP.NET, why we are going for web API? So what is your answer?
Good morning, sir.
This is Santosh. Yeah, Santosh.
The difference between ASP.NET Web Form and ASP.NET MVC is ASP.NET MVC is more performs well.
Okay.
And ASP.NET MVC, in ASP.NET MVC the code is placed differently. Means the code is separated from the code. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This code is completely kept in the view, and business knowledge is kept in the model. Like that, code is separated equally.
You can use one word, separation logic. Enough.
Yes, sir.
If you tell separation logic, then they will consider that is the right point. 2
due
points.
to this complexity will be decreased.
Okay.
For creating, we can create more than for 10,000 websites. We can create only one controller and we can manage, but it is not possible in ASP.NET Web Forms. We should create 1,000 ASPX.
Very good, very good, very good.
That's all, sir. Thank you.
So unit testing. Okay, so this one. So you can tell all these things. Okay. So the second question, very good, Santosh. The next question, what is routing? Who want to tell? Raise your hands.
Routing is a pattern matching which is used to maintain good URLs.
Okay, go also. Yeah, very good, Santosh. Next, someone else. Who is interested?
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yeah, Gopi.
Routing is a creating user friendly URL, sir, and also we can create the own URL, sir.
Okay, so no question. So where we will register our routes? Which file?
App start
No,
global data.
no. Which config file?
Route config file.
Route config file. Correct. So, and where you will register your route config file? Yeah, Asha, tell me. Where you will register your route config file?
Global.axx file, sir.
Very good, excellent. Yeah, you people know the answer. See, by so when you interviews or something, if people feel shy or something, then who will help you? Just tell me. So everyone should show some interest, common interest. So nothing wrong in it. So see, only few people are telling. So they're very nice, excellent. So similarly, everyone should tell. Okay. So then what will happen? Okay. So if you don't answer now, then I cannot. So see, for example, if you're saying wrong, then I will tell, okay, no, you need to tell like this. Then I will try to correct you people. See, after 45 days or something, your Vishwasar will not be there. Your MVC will be completed. Who will help you for that time? Just think like that. So that's why. So we'll have this type of sessions. Then what will happen? Like you will came to know how to answer in interview, how to face the interviewer. Okay. So the next question. So it's a next question. So we'll go for that. So phase life cycle of MVC. No one?
Don't know, sir.
Sorry? Anyone interested? Don't know. Okay. So can we ask? Another Gopi. So whom?
Application start. Fill route.
As soon
Which
as
route?
URL hits the controller processes to the model and where we have written the business logic, and then it passes to the view, where we'll be having it in the view data and view back, which we can be communicated between the model to the view and vice versa. So it repeats that, and basically as soon as the URL hits the controller, it goes and hits the business logic, and then it passes to the view. So the cycle passes like that.
So I will answer in one more way. So see, whenever URL hits the browser, it will initially reach us to route.config file. So from the routing table, it will try to find which controller it is and which action it is. So after that, it will reach us to that particular controller. From there, it will decide which model and which view it is, and finally, it will generate the response. So that is the process flow. Technically, if you want to use the words and all, see this one: fill route from global.asx file, fetch route from route config file, request instance will be created, and after that it will identify the controller and it will reach there, and finally from controller it will generate the response and it will provide the UI. Okay, so this is done. So the next question: are you guys clear? Anyone have any questions in any topic? So see, I'm just going with some kind of revision on all the topics. That's what I'm doing now. So everyone, please respond. So I'm doing this revision for you guys only, so that you will perform better and you will get the job. That's why. Ajay, Anusha, Asha, Balaji, Sandhya, Bhaskar, Chandrasekhar. There is nothing wrong in that. So you people are learning either for getting the job. First point is for getting the job. The second scenario for changing your technology. Okay, so everyone join here for that only. So please respond, so that otherwise, so you will feel like MVC is difficult or ASP.NET is difficult. Okay. Okay, the final question. So the current running topic. So how to see, if someone asks you how to create a controller project, you can easily explain. And that controller name, see, you have like a XYZ controller. So XYZ is the controller name, and default we need to keep that controller. Okay. The next one. And the final one, that's what our current topic, that is what our, what is different types of actions available in our ASP.NET MVC. Just tell me. See, so you don't need to tell all the programs or something. See, I will tell view result, JavaScript result, JSON result, and what else? Redirect to route result, file result. Okay.
Contest result,
What is that?
contest result, JSN result,
Content
result,
this one.
file content result.
So these are the things. That's it. So you don't need to tell all the 12. Like 4 or 5 is enough in interviews. Okay. Now, so for example, if you took like 4 results, like content result, view result, like JavaScript result, JSON result, 5, right? So that's it. You just tell them, and so on. I remember these things only. Tell like that. Content result, if it will display string format, we can return simple string, or we can return HTML or JavaScript related things. So file result is useful for what? File reading or uploading file related things. Okay. The next one is what? JSON result. It will allow us to redirect or provide output in the form of JSON output. JavaScript related things. So, and partial view. All this you can tell. Just one line answer for that. That is fine. Enough. So you'll get one question passed. That's what I'm saying. Okay, got it? Yeah. Any topic you want me to do some kind of revision? So not like today. I want everyone should prepare for C# and come back on Monday, so that we can have discussion on it, like interview questions and all. If you people are keeping yourself on mute and if no one is responding, then I will check it for 5-10 minutes, and after that I will leave that and I will just go back to my content. Okay, so that's what I decided. Based upon your interest only, I will go now from now onwards. Got it? So can we move? So anyone want me to explain any specific topic, or can I go for the previous program which we discussed? So cool. So I'm taking it as no, and I'm going with the program. Okay. So yesterday we were discussing about JSON result. So basically, uh, this is not supposed to do that in control, but anyway, so I want to give this JSON again. Anyway, this one is a model. Okay. But what is this model and all? So we are not yet reached that model. Maybe after 4, 5, 6 classes, we'll reach the model. Up to that, so okay, so that's the reason I just created one class here and I declare properties. Okay, so that's fine. The first step. So I created one method here, so which is returning some users. So you people know, right? Different types of return types is what? Void and data type. So void means don't need to return nothing. So data type means we need to return the particular data type value. So see here, this is kind of data type only. That is what list data type with the class type. So here we need to return the list. For what what we are doing, where user list, because we kept list here. No, it's a variable name. We can keep anything. It's an object name. We can keep anything here. Okay, new list of user model. So what is the list type? If someone asks you what is the list type here, this one, user model. So I'm creating 4 users here. Okay. And after that, finally, we are returning the list here. So in my JSON result, I'm just keeping users and I'm just allowing my JSON format and I'm returning them. So finally, my output is coming like this. So this is what we got output. Okay. Okay. So please note down the program. This one yesterday we have seen. So note down. So Monday, our class is so important. So like it's kind of revision of Shisha. So don't miss that class. Yeah, note down. Please note down. So, Monday we'll get a little more confidence towards our interviews. Okay, then you will feel something. But one thing, please, my request, please go through the C-sharp concepts once. So if I provide that interview question, simply people will read it and you will answer those questions. Then how the discussion will happen? So wait for that session. Okay. And I think I already shared some days back. Line 13. Okay. File result. Okay, Sandhya, once it is done, I will explain one more time. Once you people note this one, I will explain. What happened? You did not got the output, Sandhya? It is showing error. You can share that error screenshot now. I can help you, right? Yeah. Anyway, I will show now in the class. Right? So please tell me if it is done. We'll see that file content result. So done. What happened? Okay, so we'll come back to that file result one more time. See Sandhya here. What I will tell. So if you save the file somewhere, like some folder or something, here I saved the file in my MVC. Here, so now first get this folder copy. Okay. So paste here. See, I did not done anything. By default, it came like that. Okay. Now after that, what is your file name? No, come back here and dummy text. Copy the file name. .txt. It's a text file, right? That's the name. That's it. Okay. Now if I run the program. Got it? Sandhya? See, this is how we are able to read the file. Okay. Anyone have any more questions? Fine then. Thank you for joining. Happy weekend. We'll meet on Monday again. And please, go through the interview questions on sheet and come back on Monday so that we'll have some discussion.